Hello, sir and madam. I am Ellie Maria La Rosa, 39 years old. I am married with three daughters, ages 18, 16, and 14. I have three brothers, three sisters, and am the fifth of the family. I am vocational graduate, caregiving course. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have experienced 2 years nanny here in the Philippines in a couple with two children, ages 2 years old and 4 years old toddler. My main duties is preparing their meals, cleaning their house, sometimes marketing, battling, doing laundry, washing their dishes, and taking care of their pet with one dog. I have also experienced caregiver taking care of elderly ages 65 years old and 91 years old. They have hypertension, osteoarthritis, and mild dementia. My main duties is preparing their meals, preparing their medicine, monitoring their vital signs, monitoring their blood pressure, emotional support, and support their movement. I want to work in Hong Kong because it's close in the Philippines and with high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. I am hardworking, trustworthy, fast learner, and willing to take care of kids, newborn baby, elderly, and pets. If you hire me or choose me, I promise to follow your rules and regulations, being responsible and trustworthy. And I thank you.